Here we have a Wells blizzard proof snowsuit or hunting suit or work jumpsuit, coveralls, whatever you want to call them. Real nice shape. Size 38-40 chest. It's got a pocket here, zips down to the front all the way down to here. It's got a zipper on the side with a snap. Same here with a snap. It's got a little pocket here for pencils or whatever. It says not fireproof, so I would not use it as a welder for a welder. But like I said, it's showing chest 38-40. Here's what the back side looks like. It's got a pocket here with a zipper. Pocket here, no zipper. A little pocket here on the back side. A little bit of elastic right there. Blue in color. Excellent shape. Size 38-40 chest. Thank you.